I'm going to the sparkling water challenge where you try to chug down sparkling water without burping, which is considered impossible. I'll try to be louder, but I'm doing the challenge where you chug down a sparkling water, see if you can't burp. Like, you have to chug it down, no like coming up, and you can't burp. So I'm doing a Perrier, which is a sparkling water, obviously.
Perrier.
I just dropped this, so that's why. Okay. Woo!
We choose our own.
Okay, ready?
Hey, Natalie? Natalie? David, will you just let Kristen know I took the little boys too?
Yeah, I'm gonna take Melody and I'm gonna come.
Oh, yeah? Good.
I did it.